Hey guys, this is Jacques from Akulu Linux and welcome to another video. So the guys that haven't seen the Universal Messenger yet or the Universal Translator, you're in for quite a treat today. The guys that saw the video I made yesterday of the Universal Messenger, you guys are in for a treat as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up 4 copies of this because I actually want to show off the progress I've made and what I've added. This thing's amazing. So let's look at this, right? So yesterday, you already see there's a couple of new stuff here and I'll go through them. For now, let me use this as a demo. So what exactly is the Universal Messenger? Well, to explain that, let me do it this way. We have Bob. Bob is an American worker. Okay, there we go. Bob is an American worker. Bob wants to host a chat with Yusuf. Yusuf is an Arabic worker, right? So we choose Arabic. Now, Bob does not speak English and does not speak Arabic, and Yusuf does not speak English. So Bob downloads this app, clicks host, puts in his username. Bob chooses his language English, sets a room password, and we'll make the password, and clicks connect. So he's hosting, he's put in his name, he's put in his language, he clicks connect. The password for the room is password. Bob tells Yusuf, connect using this app as a client, put in the password is password, and choose Arabic. So there we go, Yusuf connects to the chat. So now we've got Bob in the chat, we've got Yusuf in the chat, both use the word password. That links the 2 rooms, the unique password, whatever it is. So now, anything that Bob types in English, hello, how are you? Yusuf will see in Arabic. Anything that Yusuf types in Arabic, selecting that right, anything that Yusuf types in Arabic, Bob will see in English. And so to Yusuf, it just looks like Bob is typing Arabic. He doesn't know that. To Yusuf, it just looks like Bob's typing Arabic. He doesn't even know that Bob's typing English. He's just seeing the conversation in Arabic, in his native language. He sees it in his native language. He replies in his native language. It's like he's having a conversation with somebody next to him. Bob, on the other hand, just sees English. He might even think that Yusuf is typing English. And so he's just having a conversation with somebody in English. So they can both talk to each other in their native languages while there's no problems with the cross-language barrier. But that's not all. Bob decides he wants to put audio onto his messages, right? So he's going to choose a voice. Since he's a man and he's got a bunch of voices available here, let's go down to one of the US voices, Christopher. Let's listen.
This is a test message. This is my voice. This is what I sound like. Do you like the sound of my voice?
Okay, now let's choose another voice. Christopher Guy. Let's choose Guy.
This is a test message. This is my voice. This is what I sound like. Do you like the sound of my voice?
Okay, great. That's perfect. Let's go to Yusuf and let's choose a voice for Yusuf here. Let's go. I don't know. Ismail. Let's try this one.
هذه رسالة اختبار. هذه صوتي. هذا ما أبدو. هل تحب صوت صوتي?
Okay, perfect. So now Bob's going to type something to Yusuf, right? So we've got both audios enabled. So let's see what happens. So Bob types, hey, brother, what is happening on your side of the world? Is everything good? So Bob types this message. I want to copy it because I'm going to use it again. So Bob types this message and he sends to Yusuf. Yusuf gets this.
يا أخي ماذا يحدث على جانبك من العالم؟ هل كل شيء جيد؟
So Bob sends a message, but because Yusuf has audio enabled, he hears the message in audio in his native tongue. Yusuf replies back. I'm just going to copy. He's going to type in Arabic whatever he types in Arabic, and he sends it to Bob, and Bob gets...
Brother, what happens on your side of the world? Is everything good?
So, anything that Bob types in English, Yusuf's going to hear in Arabic, in his native language, with the voice of his choice. And he's got a whole bunch of voices he can choose from. And he can run through the test and choose a nice one. Whatever Yusuf types in Arabic, Bob is going to hear in English. Again, from a bunch of voices that he's chosen. So they can type a conversation and actually listen to it in their native tongues. Or they can simply just disable the voice, go to the top, set it to none, and just type, without any audio. That's pretty damn nifty, don't you think? So now you can have cross-border conversations with people that do not even speak your language. Like if you're doing business in another country, you're a Chinese person doing business with a guy in America or England or somewhere, you don't speak English, he doesn't speak Chinese. It's so easy to communicate with each other, right? And you can add as many people as you want into the room. As long as they have the password, they can enter. And you want to play audio? Boom, just set the voice. Done. So that is pretty damn cool, right? Now, that is for the host and client option. So if you want to host or if you want to host a chat and have people connect, then that's it. It's simple, easy. Host, put in the details. Client, put in the details. Boom, boom, boom. I've also created a public chat room, right? And so now you can, on a public chat room, if you don't want to host or client, you just want to hang out with other Makulu users. This is going to replace our other chat app. You can just choose enter public chat room, put in your password, your username here. And so for this username, I'm going to put Daryl. So this one's going to be Daryl speaks English. Yes, Daryl enters a public chat. Now, in the public chat, you also have Electra is here. The AI is also part of the public chat because you can have fun with it in the chat, right? And so Daryl just connected. He speaks English, right? And we're going to enter another public chat. And here we're going to put Leslie. And Leslie speaks French, maybe? French, Chinese, French. So Leslie speaks French. Connect. So now we got Daryl, Leslie, and Electra here. Now Leslie speaks French, and there's a bunch of French. By the way, these voices are customized according to where you are. As you can see, FR. Because Leslie entered as French, there's only French voices available. So Leslie can test the voices and listen which one she likes.
C'est un message de test. C'est ma voix. C'est ce que je ressemble. Aimez-vous le son de ma voix?
Let's try this one.
C'est un message de test. C'est ma voix.
That's nicer.
C'est ce que je ressemble.
Okay.
Aimez-vous le son de ma voix?
That's pretty cool. And let's try this one. Liam. Let's see what Liam sounds like.
This is a test message. This is my voice.
Okay,
this is what I
perfect.
sound like. Do you like the sound of my voice?
Okay, so now if Daryl types anything, hello. How is everyone doing? And he sends in the chat.
Bonjour. Comment va tout le monde?
In the chat, Leslie sees that. Now I know you're thinking, okay, but it's a boy sending a message to a girl and she's hearing a girl. Well, she can change the voice to a man and he can change it to a woman. It really doesn't matter. There are male and female voices available. I just kind of went with the first voice. Anyway, she sees it now in her native tongue and she can hear it in her native tongue, right? And vice versa, same thing again. She sends it in French and he will see it and hear it in English.
Daryl, hello. How are everyone?
Okay. You can also talk to Electra. Just double click her name. And you can say, hello. How are you? And Electra will now...
Arrobas Electra, bonjour. Comment vas-tu?
You see? But now, because I've got both of these connected on the same PC, I can't play both audios at the same time. But... If these are on different PCs, he would hear Electra in English, she would hear Electra in French. She would see it and hear it in French, and he would see and hear Electra in English. So we've really got complete universal language messenger, right? This is like Star Trek stuff. This is like a Star Trek universal messenger. And it's pretty easy. I'm just going to make a little executable, and I'm sure this could run on other Linux systems as well. So we could possibly not just use it on Makulu, but use it on connecting Linux users from everywhere. That would be pretty awesome. Just many Linux users hanging out in the channel together. Public channel or connecting host and client. So yeah, this is pretty cool, don't you think? This is awesome. So yeah, let's see here. So Jack joins the channel. Yeah. So that's my video today, guys. We've now added voice on. Now, I saw a guy in the channel asking me about original messages. Yeah, there's still a whole bunch of stuff I want to add. I'm actually going to add like a settings option, and in the settings, I'll put some stuff, including that. Right now, I'm still just working on functionality. I wanted to implement the voice today, and I've got that working beautifully. And the nice thing is that because Jack entered now speaking English, all the English voices, EN, all the English voices are available. If I entered with another language, for example, let's say Jason, and Jason is from China. Jason's from China, and he enters the room, then all the voices, as you can see, will be Chinese. And so, so if he types like to Electra and he says like, hello to Electra, even if he speaks in English, look what it does. It replies in I don't know why the voice didn't play there.
这是一个测试信息，这是我的声音，这就是我的声音。您喜欢我的声音吗？
Okay, there must be a bug then. I need to look into that. Anyway, okay, so yeah, as you can see, he then hears Chinese. So
这是一个测试信息，
And
这是
both-
我的声音，这就是我的声音。你喜欢我的声音吗？
like I said, it's both male and female voices, so you can choose whichever you like. There'll be like 3 or 4 male, 3 or 4 female. So you find one that you like and then boom, use that. Anyway, that's it, guys. That's my video for today. I'm still working on this. Expect more updates on this. This is turning out to be really, really, really cool. And like I said, it's got the whole private message thing here, which is really great because you can use that for business, for private secret conversations. You want to run some kind of weird cult, then this is probably the messenger for you. And then nothing dangerous, nothing illegal, please. And then of course we've got the public chat area that anybody can connect to. Maybe all the Linux users can get together. That would be nice place to hang out. And it really doesn't matter what language you speak. Everybody understands you. Like instantly understands you. Would be so awesome. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Please like, subscribe. I don't know why I don't pick up subscribers. Subscribe to my channel, please. Like and comment. And if you have any feedback, suggestions, I'm all ears. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.
Working late in the light of our Makulu screen, customizing themes that are oh so clean. A system stable with a heart of open source. Makulu's whispers guide me, no need to force. LibreOffice scribing through no end, no cap. With every app I need, it's a creative sap. Yes, app. In the glow, in the flow, Makulu's insight show. AI core, open door, guiding as I go. The comfort of the code so bright in the screen's soft light. Makulu harmony in tech's endless flight. Smooth like the river, Makulu runs deep. Updates that deliver, promises to keep. Boot it up, feel the pulse, Makulu's beat so serene. With every line of code, it's like living the dream. AI's mind like the stars guides us through the night. Makulu's here, and everything just feels so right. In the grip of Makulu we find our pace, sailing through cyberspace with elegance and grace.